Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Nokia 7 Plus. We're going to unbox this phone and I'm going to show you what accessories and what are the things that we get inside. As you can see here, it is a sealed box and you can check it out here. It is Nokia 7 Plus, white copper, made in India. So why wait? It has got Snapdragon 660 mobile platform, 6-inch Full HD Plus display, Zeiss lens, 12 megapixel and 30 megapixel, and 16 megapixel front camera, dual sight mode. So let's dig in, friends. So sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, I'm not in my home. I'm outside. Actually, I had to come here to get this device. Let me open this up. Okay, here we go. Let's cut the seal out, as you can see here. So it is a nice tag here. You just need to tear this in this way and you got to pull this like this. So here is our device. So I need to pick this up. Oh wow, it looks like the Google Pixel 2 XL and has the fingerprint sensor in the back. It has got two cameras that I was talking about, 12 megapixel and 30 megapixel. As you can see here, this is a Zeiss lens and here is your 16 megapixel front camera. And let's dig in, friends, what we get inside. So here we get the SIM tray opener. We get the, I think the charger will be here. Yes, we do have. So we get a nice charger. The charger is how many watts? I think okay. Yes, it is a dual mode charger. That means it has got both fast charging as well as normal charging. As you can see, it has got 5 volt as well as 9 volt, and so it can charge your device fastly. So let me focus this up. Yes, 12 volt also. So it has got 3 modes of charging and it can charge your device fastly. And we get it has one side USB and the other side is USB-C, as you can see here, USB-C port. And we get a nice Nokia earphones. And let's dig in here. Okay. Wow, we do get a case here, friends. We do get a case. Very nice thing to do. Let me open this up. Put this aside. Yes, it is a transparent case, and as you can see here, we can turn this. It is like a silicone case. It is a nice cutout. You got all the cutouts for your microphone and your speaker as well as your USB charging port. We get a cutout for the fingerprint sensor, the cameras, and the secondary microphone, as well as for the LED flash, and for the as always for the headphone jack. We do get the headphone jack here, friends. Nokia gives the headphone jack, and as usual the support manual and welcome guide. So let us keep all this aside and boot this device up. The display is nice. You don't have any kind of blue shifts in here. As you can see here, there is no blue shifts. So after long years, we are able to hear the Nokia's like the Nokia tone. So English India is here. Let's go. I don't have a SIM now. Skip it. Set up as a new. Skip it. Okay, continue. Just a sec. It's taking some time. Oh, we will set this up later. I need to just focus on the device. Okay, skip. Skip. Okay, 1 second, friends. Taking a. Okay. Agree. It's booting up. Yes. Not now. Yes. Here it is, my friends. As you can see here, the Nokia 7 Plus. This has got 64 GB of internal storage, dual camera, and you have got pure Android, that is 8.1, I think. Let us check this out. Settings. I think I need to update this device as no, we get the Android 8.1.0. Then it's fine. Yes, it's good to hear that. And the storage I was talking about, it has got 64 GB, as you can see here. 64 GB, out of which 13.76 is used. None of the like Samsung and other, like we have got any bloatware softwares. We have got pure Android here. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and leave a comment. If you have any doubts, I will be happy to answer you. Bye bye.